Hello, my dear friends. So we have Arihant Kumar Jain with us. First of all, congratulations, Arihant Kumar, on getting a very
Thank
good
you.
bitside score. Also, you got 314, and now you are also getting you have got a branch of your choice. So I would like you to introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. So good morning and thank you for congratulating me. So my name is Aryan Kumar Jain and I am from Gurgaon, Haryana. And I got 314 score, final score in my BITSAT session 2. And right now I'm in IIT Mandi pursuing computer science.
Very nice, very nice. So Arihant, your score has moved, as I can see, from 303 to 314 from session
Yes,
1
sir.
to session 2, and you took masterclass based bitside test series after session 1. So how much helpful was the test series? How much relevant was the test series as compared to the real bitside?
So the test series was really relevant, especially the analysis part was quite accurate and was really helpful. Like the mistakes you have made and the time you took for each question, it helps you analyze the point you are missing somewhere in the theory and concept, or maybe in solving speed or calculations. And when I gave the exam was pretty much up to the level of the test series. Some questions were a bit harder, some were a bit easier, but the overall the result I had was almost same as per the test series.
Very nice. So what marks you were getting in our test series?
So I don't remember exactly, but it was more or less same. Sometimes it was higher, sometimes it was less than the real score I got.
Like around 300 you were getting in our test series?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I believe the level was quite similar to Real Bit Set.
yes, sir. Some people were a bit harder or a bit easier, but mostly it was a bit like it was equal to the actual paper.
Quite good. That is something which is quite relevant. So now, if I talk about, though you have opted for, you could have got computer science in Bits Goa also. Bits Goa you could have got, though not in Pindani, but Bits Goa you could have got computer science, and you opted for IIT Mandi computer science. That's fine. That's your choice. From the perspective of BitSet, I'm talking. How one should prepare for BitSet? JEE everyone prepares in 11th and 12th. Now BitSet
Mhm.
level is little different from JEE. Here you get more number of questions and you have to do quite fast. That is there. And in JEE you get less number of questions and the syllabus is also limited. Here syllabus is like full physics,
Very
chemistry,
vast. Yes.
maths. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how one should prepare according to you to excel in BitSet?
So it's a very interesting question because I had the same dilemma during before my BITSAT one session one. So I think the biggest difference was I think BitSat is a more focused on giving sample papers because you have to prepare for logical reasoning, English alongside a maths, physics, chemistry. Now, usually when you are a JEE aspirant, you are not preparing for mental ability or English.
Mhm.
I think instead of studying it individually from different books or something, I think it's better to give more sample papers as much as you can give and analyzing them and learning new methods, maybe shortcuts in mental ability, or maybe studying the things you where you lost marks in sample papers in English. Because in JEE, it was more focused on learning theory, practicing on different books, famous books. But BitSat is a more about game of speed and accuracy, which can only be practiced by giving sample papers in a given time and analyzing it.
I get it. I get it. No. I can completely relate with this. Thanks for this piece of information. It will help a lot to the juniors. Now, let's talk a bit about your college life. How's the college life and how you feeling in the new atmosphere?
So the college life is really good. The seniors are really helpful, and the weather is quite good here in Mandi. And we are having a lot of fest regarding sports. And recently we had a sports fest in the South Campus. It was really good. I personally participated in javelin throw. I did 200 meter sprint.
Wow.
So yeah,
Junior
we're getting a
Neeraj
lot of.
Chopra.
No, I couldn't throw it at that much. He throws like 90 meters or something. He's
Oh,
Olympic
that's of course,
champion.
of course.
Yeah,
I'm just joking. No. Good. I'm happy. You are in Mandi, and Mandi is very scenic place.
yeah,
I mean, do you plan to go for trekking sometime?
yeah. We have already gone to.
Oh my God! Just the
Yeah,
college has started and you have already started on doing all this. Very
yeah.
nice.
One more. one more thing. Like I am like a resident of Gurgaon, and the pollution there is extreme levels compared to other cities in India. So coming to Mandi here, the pollution is a fraction of what I had in Gurgaon. So it feels really great.
Your health level has also increased a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
So good to know about this. So now your college has just started probably like 2 to 3 weeks ago, right?
hmm
So how's the academic pressure in IIT?
Right now, the academic pressure is not that high as I've heard from the seniors, just because they started. But still, it's quite good, especially because the maths has become now abstract instead of just solving questions based on the theories you have learned in class.
Correct.
Just doing using tricks and all. Now you have to write complete steps for it, and it's okayish level. It's like JMeans level, but you're writing it in abstract. And we have
Correct.
data science courses as well. We have robotics as well. We have a lot of like SolidWorks and other things which the seniors are helping us to learn. So yeah, it's pretty balanced. The fun and education, everything is like pretty balanced right now, till now.
I okay till now. Things should be, at least it should. I hope it will remain balanced. That's something.
Yeah.
Now I want to talk a bit about the extracurricular activities. The facilities on campus. How is the facility, and what are extracurricular activities one can involve?
So there are a lot of things you can do, especially when you're preparing for inter IITs. We have badminton courts, tennis, squash, cricket, shot put, javelin, like everything you can imagine. Swimming pool,
Hmm.
indoor swimming pools, indoor badminton courts. There are a lot of things. Plus, there are like stock market clubs where
Oh,
you can learn about stock market and economics. Personally, I'm also learning about economy by reading a lot of magazines like The Economist, The Week, and many more magazines, which are here every like weekly. We get a magazine from printed by the college, so you can like issue the book, issue the magazine, and there are a lot of books. Like there are about 25,000 something books, relevant books, which you can read and which are really relevant in the modern era. So yeah, I think there are a lot of things you can do. Plus, if there's somebody really interested in drones, so we have a particular drone building which is just focused on creating drones and the new technologies regarding it.
wow.
So pretty much you can do everything. Like recently, there's research going on in artificial skin. We also
Artificial
have
skin.
yeah, artificial skin. We also have a supercomputer called Param, which is quite famous in India.
Oh, it's
And
it's it's in your university.
yeah, yeah.
Wow,
And recently they are building a room temperature quantum computer here in IIT Mandi.
wow. Very
So pretty
exciting
much,
life.
yeah. Yeah, you can talk to professors and you can participate in the research. You can help writing research papers. There's almost like they also music club, drama club, photography club, trekking club, mountaineering club. Recently, a team of seniors went to Leh Ladakh on bicycle.
Wow.
So yeah, you can explore
Basically,
anything.
basically you are in a heaven.
Yeah, kind of.
Yes, you are
Yeah,
basically what else do you expect in heaven?
yeah,
This is
exactly.
the best life you can have. You have best of the best people around you, best facility around you, helping seniors, batchmates, wisdom, knowledge. That's all. And the best thing is that the climate is so good.
Yeah, exactly.
So happy. So Aryan, now you got the branch of your choice. I just want to ask you now that you have got CS, you have come to a IIT, you must be feeling quite relaxed. Now,
Yes, I felt yes.
now after 2 years of after 2 years of rigorous preparation, you are quite relaxed. So have you made some plans what you wanted to pursue after graduation from IIT now?
Sir, actually, I'm not really sure because before going to IIT, I was really sure I will go to IIT, then maybe do a MTech or MBA from US University or something, then do some like startup or something. But when I came here, I learned there are a lot of things to it.
Mm,
There's not just startup, there's not just job, not just going to finance, be an investment banker or something. There are a lot of things that you can explore, you can do. Basically, right now it's just an eye-opening thing for me, to be honest. There are a lot of things that I didn't know existed, but now I'm learning. I'm learning them. And about relaxation. when I joined here, the first week was a bit quite relaxed. Then I learned there's robotics, there is coding, then there is a lot more things. Like you might be knowing, sir, like half an hour ago, I was giving my interview for robotics club.
Hmm.
So it's pretty packed up. Like one thing after another, one thing after another. Like there are GitHub sessions, blockchain. They're teaching, the seniors are teaching us. So yeah, we are learning different things about finance and everything. So yeah, there are a lot of things to discover for now. I haven't really set up my mind. I will do this
I
after
know. So
completing my
basically,
graduation.
right now you are getting a lot of exposure, which is
Yeah.
indeed good. First, take your take exposure, then you can make up your mind what you really want to do. Now you have a lot of time to do it. It's good to explore. So, apart from academics, what are extracurricular activities you are involved with?
So right now we are trying. Like I'm usually just playing TT with my friends or something. But I think till now I haven't participated in a particular club to be doing some like good level extracurriculars, like joining a photographic club or something, because the club intros are still going on.
Hmm.
Because it's been just 3 weeks, so maybe after a few weeks or a bit more time, I think I may be participating in more curriculars.
I get it. I get it. So good to know, Arihant. So happy to know you're having a great life, and after 2 years of like rigorous preparation and stressful environment and competitive atmosphere, you are living in at least for this moment stress free and some really good climatic conditions. So once again, congratulations for what you have
Thank
got,
you, sir.
and thank you so much for your time. Do let us know if we can be of any help to you as your mentor or as your senior, or someone who has gone through the same path. We would be very happy to help you out in future also.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, dear.